Hi guys, this is showing this video after they poured concrete for curb and gutter. You can see here they have filter bag, protect the catch basin, and over there they pave asphalt binder. So they will come back here to pave like 1.5 inch to flash it with the concrete curb. Here you can see they poured concrete driveway here. They did saw cut, joint, choke line. Okay, here they make sure the depth is correct. You can see they check it, the depth is correct, should be 1.25 inch. You can see they check it here. Here they started at the corner this way, socket joint, socket joint, socket joint. Okay, and here they poured the concrete for retaining wall. Okay, and curb and gutter. You can see asphalt binder, electrical conduit, and clean out. Here clean out, step up. Okay guys, I uploaded some videos about this project, but now they are in a good shape. Here they will be ready for landscaping, and here you can see the waterproofing membrane, and 1 inch insulation. Okay, over there the dumpster pad, and here they have concrete pad. Okay, here they formed here this, Okay, so here they have all the 4 inches pipe. Here you can see catch basin at the corner, socket here. Okay, socket there, and here joint between new and old concrete and curb. And here you can see asphalt binder, and that's the erosion practice and the temporary fence. Here, dumpster pad, electrical work, plumbing work. Hey guys, sleeve for electrical conduit. Here, that manhole for the storm drain system, surveying work. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Hey guys, so here you can see. Thank you guys, bye.